Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Friday, March 18th. Let's find out what is on our Number Corner calendar. We've been looking at the time, a whole hour of time passing by this month, or 30 minutes of time, which is a half of an hour. Whoa! The clock moved from 10:30 to 11 o'clock. From 10:30 to 11 o'clock, which meant 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes of time went by, which is equal to a half of an hour. Half of an hour. Now let's get into our days in school. When we click on our days in school, can you believe it? 124 days! Incredible! Incredible. 124 days that we've been together, which is equal to 124 is the number. 124 is the number word. Then we have 100 plus 24. And then we have 50 plus 50 plus 24. Can you think of a math fact that equals 124? You can write it down. Next, what we're going to do is it's a Friday. So you know what that means? It's time for us to spin our wheel to find out how many coins we're adding, and then we get to count them today. Let me zoom in so we can see what it really did land on. So we have 4 pennies. Wow, we hadn't had any pennies at all this week, so that's great. Now we get to add on 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. So again, always remember, dimes are worth 10 cents. Nickels are worth 5 cents. And pennies are worth 1 cent. So we can go through our coin song again. You know we love our coin song. Penny, 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 worth 1 cent, worth 1 cent. Nickels are worth 5, nickels are worth 5. Dimes are 10, dimes are 10. So we're going to use those amounts to help us count how much money we have this week. We have dimes, a lot of dimes, so we're going to count by tens every time we see a dime. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 cents in dimes plus a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents, so that's 70 plus 5, which is 75. And pennies are worth 1 cent. 75 is what we had up here. 76, 77, 78, 79. Wow! This week we have 79 cents. That's pretty cool. Week 3, 79 cents. Amazing, All Stars. Amazing. All right, Amazing All Stars. What I'd like you to do now is turn your math book that has the blocks on the top and the person made of shapes, blocks on the top and a person made of shapes, to page 52. You're going to turn that book to page 52. 52. And once you reach page 52 in that book, we're going to focus on doing a few things. I'll go through them with you to get you started. Tad took 11 leaps to reach 110. Count by tens to 110. So let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Now help Tad hop by ones across the 12th decade. Remember, decade is 10. 10. As you read these numbers. So we're going to hop. And again, you're just going to take your pencil and literally hop, counting by ones. So we have 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119. So we made it to 119. Now what you're going to do is trace all of the numbers that are on this page. So you have 110. And you'll trace, continue to trace 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119. And then you're going to be asked this question. What is the number that comes after 119? So if we're counting, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Now, for the last part of the page, you are going to be asked to put these numbers in order from the smallest, which is least, number to the greatest. So you put the smallest number. Which one of these is the smallest number? 29 is the smallest number. So then what is the next smallest number? You're going to continue to do that until you reach the biggest number. And then for part 5 of this page, you're going to put these in order from the biggest number first, all the way down to the smallest number. So what is the biggest number? Looks like 120 is the biggest number. Then what's the next biggest number if we've already used 120? You'll continue that for the rest of the time. I know you can do it. Off you go, All Stars.